are doing Flourish Media Marketing for influencers, giving them all of the information that they need to know in order to be successful working with brands and getting sponsorship online.
At Flourish Media, we help people on both ends of the spectrum. Whether you are an influencer or a small business, we can help connect you with one another so that you can build your brand and expand it in the online space.
I learned a lot about the differences in social media, and I'm more sure now, I'm kind of more directed in the path I should take.
An amazing workshop today. Make sure you definitely connect with Flourish Media because they know exactly what they're doing.
I came today to hear Flourish Media teach an old dog some new tricks. I'm all about learning how to enhance my image with social media.
The most important thing that I learned is first how to monetize to become an influencer through all my channels.
I got some great tips on how I can turn what I do for free into ways that I can make money.
Thank you so much for putting this on. It was amazing.
If you want us to come and host one of these workshops with you, feel free to shoot us an email and we will get back to you as soon as we can.